Hello everyone, today we going to fill Uzbekistan visa form. First of all search e-visa, gov.uz on Google. And click on evisa.mfa.uz. Now go the below of screen. And click on next, and here's your visa form. So let's start to fill the form. So first of all go the first column, personal information. Firstly enter your surname, and then your previous surname, if you had, otherwise leave it. Now enter your first name and then your previous first name, if you had, otherwise leave it. Now enter your other name, if you had, and your previous other name, if you had, otherwise leave it. Now upload your photo, after that fill your gender. Then fill your date of birth, country of birth and place of birth. Enter your current citizenship and your previous citizenship, if you had, otherwise leave it. Then select your passport type. After that enter your passport number. Now enter your passport date of issue and expiry date of your passport. Now enter your passport issue place. Now fill your marital status. Let's fill second part of the form, travel information. So first enter your period to visit in Uzbekistan, means your traveling dates in Uzbekistan, and then fill how many entries you want in Uzbekistan. Select according to your requirement. Now enter how many days you will be stay in Uzbekistan. Now select duration of visa procedure. Again, select according to your requirement, and then enter place of visa issuance. After that enter your purpose to visit in Uzbekistan. And then enter your invitee details. Now let fill the third column, additional column. So, first fill where you will stay in Uzbekistan. Then enter if you previously visited in Uzbekistan. If not, then write NA. And fill who has accompanied you in Uzbekistan. After that enter your occupation. And enter your company name and your designation in that company. Now fill your company address and phone number. Now enter your address, phone number and email ID. After all this click on continue and print it. Then you should fill CAPTCHA digit. Now and end. Print it and download it. Congratulations, your form is ready to submit.
Thank you for watching this video. We have hundreds of videos for different countries on visa application on our channel. Do you know many people make big mistakes in filing their visa application forms, which leads to visa rejection? Don't worry, we are here to assist you. If any country visa application form you feel is not there, then don't worry, comment in the comment box. We'll create it. We have many other videos related to travel which will help the traveler. Don't wait, my friends. Hurry, subscribe our channel now and click the bell icon if you want the instant updates. And also share this video on your WhatsApp groups with your friends.